Hi, Angelo here. Welcome to DevTaloco channel, and I am recording this video to show a problem that I get when I installed Davinci Resolve 18.6 on Fedora 3090. I am trying to get some help on Fedora Discussion with this thread. Fedora 39 does not run Davinci Resolve 18.6. I will show you the problem on my desktop. That is a Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming that have a Intel Core i5 processor, 80 GB memory RAM, and a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 version, né? With 4 GB. So Davinci Resolve already be installed here on my PC. Together these other softwares that came with package: Davinci Control Panels, Davinci Blackmagic RAW Player, and as you can see, this software open, right? Open. Let's see the other. Blackmagic RAW Speed Test, Blackmagic RAW Player, Blackmagic Davinci Resolve Control Panel Setup. Open too. Must be open. So it stop open now. And the main software, Davinci Resolve, I will try to open with my NVIDIA, and nothing happened. Don't works. I already so open. See? Opened. The software are installed. Let's show you. opt resolve bin. Here is the executable resolve. I will try to open and don't open. Let's try the command to verify my video, NVIDIA video, né? Let's NVIDIA CMI, a placa, the version of NVIDIA. So I don't know what I do now, and I count with you to fix this error. this error I already get it on another installation of Fedora 38. I will leave the card of the video that I recorded here. I count you. See ya.